I am so excited and honored to be able to share my thoughts on Kwanzaa. Hi, this is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey, today is December 26th. It's the 361st day of the year. We only have 5 more days left in this year. And it's Kwanzaa. Happy Kwanzaa. Kwanzaa is an African American celebration that takes place the week after Christmas. It focuses on the 7 principles of Blackness, which are known as the UMOJA. Today is UMOJA, which means unity. And this is a day that we advocate, perpetuate, maintain, discuss unity in the family and the community. Remember, the Nugo Saba is not only about family, but it's about community, because we are a communal people and our community is our family as well. I'm so excited about sharing Kwanzaa with you. Happy Kwanzaa!